We're cooking beef soup today. Yes, it's a rainy day in Georgia. So we decided that we're going to cook some beef soup. Yes. And, you know, my BFF and I, we're here.
We're here,
chilling on this cold Saturday, wet day in Georgia.
Yeah.
So, yeah, just vibes.
Just vibing out.
Vibing out, yes. I have my pot already on the stove. Yeah. Ready to throw down. But I always like to brown my meat before I put it in my soup. So that's what I'm doing right now, browning my meat for my soup. Yeah. Let's get this ball rolling.
Let's get it rolling.
I believe in love. I believe in unity. I believe in friendship. I believe in you and me. No matter what the color of your skin may be, I believe in us. I believe in us. I believe in us.
All right.
Gotta wash my hands first.
Yeah, wash your hands. I don't want to dirty on our food.
No dirty hands.
Yeah. I have my corn. Yes. Soup without corn? No. Can't do that.
That can't work.
No, can't work. We have to put some corn in the soup. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. I already have my flour knead and ting.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
All kind of same thing in the kitchen. Yes. So, show this out for me. I'm gonna peel my pumpkin while I have my meat brown. So, can get this ball rolling out. You know
Rolling.
Rolling like on a river. Yeah. Yeah.
We're rolling.
You want a cutting board too?
Please.
Yeah, I'm cutting board for you.
Thank you.
And I'll cut board for you. I'll wash them after. Make you a knife.
Okay.
Yeah. Relax. I know say your foot sick, so I have to cater to you.
Cater to me.
Cater to you. Yeah. Now you chop up, now you chop off your finger. Then you try to sew me out, then same
Sew
thing.
you?
Yeah. Want to sew me? Sew me.
A big knife knocked it up top.
I ain't gonna look for it, I see that.
Oh.
Just so that you are regular knife then,
Yeah.
so I can't.
Can't butter.
I can't butter at all.
A collie.
Oh, see big knife, you're right in my face.
Alright. Thank you. Alright, so you want me to do the corn?
No, I don't want you to do
You
corn.
know, fuck them.
Yeah, but I don't know. I want you to do all that shit. Scrape them. But I can't find it, it's like just a peeler, so. Scrape them. That's what we do in Jamaica, we scrape.
I want a smaller one to scrape it.
Here.
The big one to scrape it.
And then you can cut it up after when I wash them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
So I'm gonna have a brown on me. So speaking of which, you know, so today I sat there,
Yeah.
and I soup there, Jamaica. It's traditional soup there, Jamaica. Everybody has cook, most people have cooked soup. Beef soup, all kind of soup. What is your favorite soup?
My favorite soup? Beef soup.
Beef soup?
Yeah.
Well, you're not luck today.
Good.
Yeah. What your least favorite soup?
My least favorite.
Jamaican soup.
I don't have no least favorite. I love goat head, but I don't like eating the meat from the goat head soup.
You know have a least favorite, Brenda? I used to give them like, you know like chicken foot?
Oh, no, me eat the soup, I just don't eat the chicken. don't eat the chicken foot. You eat the soup. I just don't eat the chicken. I just don't eat the chicken foot.
Oh, okay. Well, today I don't have to worry. I'll be soup.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. Sure down. So, I could talk about your first time at Jamaica.
All right.
Yeah, I want everybody to give away your first experience going to Jamaica.
My first experience going to Jamaica. You know, you remember when you asked me to go with you, and I didn't have the money. And I was like, man, how am I gonna pay to go? I can't make this opportunity pass me by. How am I gonna go?
Right.
And I was like, all right, I have a little bit of money saved for college. Not a lot, a little bit.
Yeah.
And I was like, all right, I can use that. But I knew it wasn't enough. And I'm like, man, what am I going to do? So I had this doll collection. You remember my doll collection? And I sold the doll collection.
Right.
It was worth money. The longer you had it, you know, the more value it went up.
Right.
It increased in value. So
Why me have to Jamaica always to cut everything in my hand other than for the board? I want that for me alone do that.
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead, sorry.
That's all right. So I found this lady who was willing to buy the whole collection. Not what it was worth, but you know what? I was desperate, so I sold it. When my mother found out, my mother was so furious with me, and I can understand now that I'm older why she was so mad. But at the time, I was like, man, I want to go to Jamaica. I really didn't care that she was a little upset with me. She got over it as time went on, but I sold my doll collection, had enough money for my plane ticket and spending money. We stayed.
I want you to talk about when you reach a Jamaica, really.
Okay.
Your first experience. You keep going on about the money business. What?
No, when we stayed in Jamaica, we stayed with your relatives at the time in Willity, Spanish Town. Yeah. So I remember we had been there for a couple of days, and we went to Bagua. And we were on our way back from Bagua to Spanish Town, and I started crying. And I know you didn't understand why I was crying, but when I
yeah, because I wonder what's wrong with that girl there. She mad? She mad or she fool?
No,
What's she crying for?
I explained to you that it was because of the fact that I didn't understand what they were saying.
Right.
They were calling me whitey and browning, but when you explained to me that, you know, everybody at Jamaica have nicknames, sometimes more than one nickname.
Yep.
So my nicknames were whitey, browning, cherry.
Yeah.
I had 3. But I was like, why are they calling me whitey?
You're fortunate. Now watch them now. Go and talk.
I was like, why are they calling me whitey? You know, and then as time went on, I had fun, but my first trip to Jamaica was nothing like my second trip. My second trip, I had so much more fun because I was around your family longer, and having gone one time and experienced it, it was a blast.
Yeah.
I remember we went to you know, dances, and we went to
Yeah, we went to street dance.
street dance.
And
Yeah, and we went to sound clash.
Yeah.
And went to river.
Yeah.
Built a raft. Sat down on the rocks.
Cook at the river.
Cook at the river.
Yeah.
Run the river in the rain. Man, I had fun, but you know, the more time I went, I really got to enjoy myself more and more.
Yeah.
So you remember that time I had gone down for the long weekend?
Yeah, I remember. Is that the time when you lose your job?
Yes, I
Because
lost my
you
job.
overstayed.
I overstayed
Jamaica
my
sweet, yeah.
time. Yes,
Jamaica
we had
sweet,
gone
yeah.
on a road trip.
Yeah.
And
But remember when you had Jamaica, you think you're in love.
yeah. What drinking.
Oh, God.
Young and dumb.
Well, you know, it's a part of life.
It's a part of life, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They'll even never, you know. We'll learn
Yeah.
quick.
Yeah. But you still end up with a nice Jamaican
I
husband.
did.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah. So, you have to
I have
taste
to-
couple frogs before you get to the prince, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
God,
easy.
God bless me with a good husband.
Yeah, so that's good.
Yeah.
That was, yeah. Remember your trip. Remember your
Yeah.
trip when you got Jamaica. And you're in your green shorts and boots, the backside.
Right.
You know how Jamaica
In a hot
have
Jamaica.
boots. What do you think? Winter storm will come down there?
What? But I'm telling you, you're gonna talk to me. You're gonna tell me I wasn't cute.
You're fast. Cute as can
Cute
be.
as can be.
Mm-hmm.
I was as cute as can be.
Yeah.
And I learned enough about Jamaica. I mean, you know, within the last few years I've gone to resort. But when I used to go, we used to stay with people who lived there, stay at your family's house.
Yeah, and that's the best kind of experience because
Of
you
course.
experience things where you wouldn't experience at a resort.
And
Like when we be outside with the oars,
you know what clothes?
you know. Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, in our
When I go
clothes.
out there naked.
Yeah, in our clothes.
Yeah.
But that
It was an experience that I can say I had.
yeah, yeah.
I mean, even you know when your husband and his cousin were racing. You remember that?
Yeah, in the car.
In
yeah,
the car.
That's true.
I mean, we had road trips,
Mm-hmm.
all kinds of fun. We had a lot. I had a lot of fun. I've had a lot of fun in Jamaica.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
What about your first trip to the U.S.?
My first trip to the U.S. Okay. Oh Lord. My first trip, so much different from yours. I came here young, you know, as a teenager.
Uh-huh.
I remember some ball all the way from Jamaica till we reach a JFK airport.
Really?
Even though I was coming to see my mother and I was happy
Yeah.
because I'm excited about coming to live with her.
Right.
You know, you're about foreign and you're excited about the whole experience. Yes, I was excited, but I miss my dad was still there. I miss my dad, my younger brother, and my friends. And of course, I missed my boyfriend,
Right.
who's now my husband.
Right.
So yeah, I missed him. So I cried all the way from Jamaica to JFK.
Oh gosh.
And when I got there now, because it was in February, so it was in the peak of winter. Yeah, it was winter time. So my sis, when I walk out, out of the airport and feel that the rapid will lick me and the cockroach. And look what I said, Jesus Christ, my mama. See him when I say exactly those words. Jesus Christ, my mama.
Were you dressed for it?
Well, first of all, my sister dressed me up like mega convention.
Oh my God.
My sister dressed me in our red skirt outfit with stocking and heels. The backside. Yeah, stocking and heels.
Oh.
Like me I got church. Like me I got Sunday day church.
Oh,
Trust me.
gosh.
I saw it go. Like me I got
man.
Sunday day church. Yeah, so that looking back on the picture now it could have crack you up. Yeah, so but anyways, one time I step out of the airport and the cold licked me. The next thing that the place looked huge.
Right.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, it's humongous. How me ever know this a place here? You know?
Uh-huh.
So I'm driving home from the airport too. Me I look on the highway, the man I said, Lord Jesus. The highway are humongous. How me ever get around and know my way. But anyways, we end up going to my sister's house because she had a dinner. She had a dinner for us. It was me and my brothers coming up from Jamaica.
Yeah.
So we had a dinner. And that was cool. But the next morning when I wake up and look out a door, man, me start ball because you know what? Me miss a warm weather and the place just look different, you know, and so you're out of your environment. Yeah.
Right.
So me start ball, man. Yeah, me want go home. Me miss Jamaica. Me feel confined because you know Jamaica you can be out a door and you have your yard, me a country girl, so me want to go out a door, walk up and down. Yeah, I wash everything together, yeah. Yeah, you just cut them and I will wash them. Okay. Now I throw this in my trash. Yeah, so yeah, so me miss going outside. Me feel confined.
Right.
You know, but me couldn't wait. But me couldn't wait for snowfall.
Yes.
I could not wait to see the first snow fall. And me go every day I look through the window. Every day I look out as me wake up to see if snow fall. And on the one day when me never do that, me get a phone call from my mother. She said, Keeb, look outside. It has snow. Man, look out there. It was so beautiful. It was so pretty. Put on my jacket and my boots and my gloves and my scarf. And me and my brother go out there. And my sister, she lived right around the corner. So
Yeah.
we kept going back and forth from her house to our house.
Right.
You know? And in the snowstorm. But then after that, now it starts fall almost every day.
Regular.
I'm like, man, I'm never gonna broke up with this snow thing. Me have enough of it. Then when it start getting slushy and dirty, you know, pretty again, you know? So I'm like, man, this thing needs to stop. I want a divorce.
You want a divorce from the snow?
You know? But, you know, me kept going to Jamaica every chance me get because I ended up getting a part-time job. And it was right up the street from me at a beauty salon.
That was convenient.
Yes, I could just walk right up the street, go to the beauty salon. And as soon as I met that plane fare, me gone at Jamaica. Become frequent flyer. Then time they hear Jamaica, me girl. And you get that good food.
Man.
Yeah.
You always look forward to the food at Air Jamaica. Never Air Jamaica food.
Yeah, and when that touchdown, man, and all the people then start clapping like plane. Nothing like that.
Yeah.
Nothing like that. Yes, I mean, never care about now spending money because, of course, we still had our home there. So it was like just plain fear. I don't care. And then my boyfriend, he had a job, so we can still do all the sporting that we need to do.
Right.
So.
Because I'm going to take care of that.
Yeah, but my first time in America, it was good. You know, I had no complaint, but like I said, me did miss Jamaica and the glitz and the glamour never did matter to me. Like, yeah, me did just miss my life at Jamaica. For school and my friends them and my boyfriend and my father and my brother down there. Me just want down there. Me used to that type of life.
Right.
And then go high school here, me did a dread for that high school because everything we hear on TV and from people who come to Jamaica. Oh, New York high school them rough. So you know they will bully you. You have to be tough. So I come here with the mentality say when nigga school no bad, no girl or no boy can't bully me. At Jamaica me come from, and me I have to go show you if you try to do that. Yeah. So me did go with this tough girl attitude, you know. But nobody no bully me, and eventually me meet up friends. Me have, you know, end up having friends from Jamaica and from here in the state. Yeah. You know, but it was quite a hard adjustment. Now, lie to you, I'm not gonna tell you, say, oh, me come and you know, me just fall right into it and everything was hunky dory.
Right.
No, me have some, you know, me enjoy the tour because I used to carry the places, Bronx Zoo and all of them places there and
Yeah.
movies and you know, family try to make we adjust as best as possible,
Right.
but it was just in a me, you know, hard to get adjusted, get used to, yeah.
Yeah.
So, and I like you when you go to Jamaica, you just get on vacation.
Right.
I come to live, yeah.
Permanent.
Right, permanently, and then my sister them have jobs to go, so they can't get up every day and carry me out. Bring me out. They have to learn to take a bus and a train and then something, eh? I mean, I used to that. We used to take a bus at Jamaica, yes, but I mean, I used to train business.
Right.
Yeah. And when I came, I started food I never did like.
What was your least favorite food?
My least favorite food when I come here. Oh, my least favorite food. What I like. Let's remember. I know me like everything. As you can see. Just kidding. Oh, me never did like pizza.
No?
When I come here, I didn't like pizza because pizza wasn't as popular back then as it is now in Jamaica.
Right.
I mean, and when me try it, I like all that cheese funny. Too much cheese. But when I try chicken parmesan, I don't love chicken parmesan right off the bat. Yeah, I mean like certain things in like Chinese food when they come. But not everything. My mother used to get this chop suey business. Boy, she could have messed it up. So, because all it takes when they say a chicken, never tastes like a chicken when me used to a Jamaica. You know, tastes like young chicken when them raising a cook down there, no sir? No sir. They say no. You know, taste good. No, it taste so. But you know, eventually I've adjusted. And it's been almost 30 years now since I'm here.
A long time.
Yeah, I still love Jamaica though, and I always love Jamaica. That's my home. But I love it here too, so I have the best of both worlds.
Can have your cake and eat it.
Can have my cake and yummy too. Yeah, you can't tell something and yummy. What is my cake? Yeah. What is my cake? What is my cake, my dear? Ease up off my cake though.
Ease up off of the cake?
Yeah, man, ease up off my cake. Yeah, there's a man like cake, I eat it too, man. Ease up off my cake.
No, man, you can't give up your one.
No, sir, I can't give up Jamaica.
Right.
I love Jamaica, I love resort, I love staying at family relative house, I love staying at our home. I love Jamaica.
Jamaica nice.
Yeah, nice. So, yeah. Yeah, but remember your trip and remember when you do down there balls and them call you whitey and something. No, me can't get you away from there.
No.
Now you just wait for the next time to fly out, go down there. Yeah, go shake what Jesus shake what your mama give you.
That's right.
Oh Lord Jesus.
That's right.
Yes, my child. So I wash my food them, put them in the water.
Right.
So
Did you cut the celery already?
Yeah, I cut everything already.
Oh.
I'm not ramping. I keep you're there ramping now. You know, so I'm not ramp when I come in the kitchen.
That's true.
I'm not clear with the food thing. Wash all of them things. Yeah. Real girl. So that's how it went down when I came here. And let me tell you something. Every little money we get, me run guys store and buy sitting clothes. And you know it's cheaper.
Of course.
Lord Jesus. You look the amount of shoes and clothes that I have. My mother said, what you gonna do with clothes? What you gonna do with shoes? Yeah, probably like a job, you know?
Yeah. Every little time you get the chance, you're going to go buy something.
Yeah. Remember I first sitting there stage show we bringing at Jamaica was with Bounty Killer.
Yep.
Remember that?
I remember that.
Bounty Killer and Ghost.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who else did it there? Only for them they did there.
Oh, good.
Only for them they did there.
Yeah.
And it was at in a Old Harbor.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I would walk, go down, go home because it was Willow Dean. It was like Old Harbor Road and we just stay at Willow Dean, so we just walk and late hours at night.
Then it,
We're never afraid of
never
nothing.
afraid.
Yeah.
At that time, they were never afraid of nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing could have phased me.
Nothing could have phased me.
Mm-mm.
Yes, guys. So, thank you for joining
Thank
us.
you.
Thank you. Don't forget to like
Subscribe.
and turn on that notification.
Don't forget to share.
Yes, me go continue make me soup. Yes, because me hungry
I'm hungry
and
too.
it cool outside.
Yeah.
And we are gonna have a nice bowl of soup. All right.